have got some green grass paint. We've got the PetraTool Sprayer's Green Grass Paint, EnviroColor's Grass Paint, and Covinton Green Grass Paint. To give you a good green grass color, which you can see I obviously need it. We are in restricted watering here in Lehigh, and we need nice green colored grass because we're also in an HOA. Each of these were purchased about 2 months ago for around $30. These two came in from Amazon. This one came in from Lowe's. It took 2 months for that to come in, whereas these guys came in within about a week to 2 weeks. The green paint recommends a pump style applicator, which I have right here. This one holds 1 gallon up to this line. Alright, I'm going to be using the primary water from the house because I don't want any of the particulates and gunk from the secondary clogging up my nozzle. Alright, so this thing just unscrews like this. And we will fill up our bottle here. Alright, you can see it's about right at that line there. Alright, first up is what Lowe's carried. And it says 1 treatment lasts up to 2 months. Thereabouts. So we'll see about how much this covers. I'm going for a nice luscious green. So this tells me to shake well before use. Alright, that's probably good. Now each of these little bath cups is 3 ounces. There we go. So it'll take 3 of these to greenify our container here. There's 3, 6, and 9, or thereabouts. So I'm sticking to the side there. Alright, so there is the first one, EnviroColor here. Put this in and twist it up. Alright, make sure it's nice and tight. And then we'll shake it up and go test it out. Alright, first round is done. And as you can see, it does look pretty green as compared to the before, after. We got for 1 gallon, and it did say to do it in a crisscross pattern, so we did it one way and then the other. And that's as far as we got with the 1 gallon. Alright, next up we'll be using the PetraTool's Sprayer's Green Grass Paint. This one's actually sealed. Go. Now, I'm a literal green thumb. Alright, here's how the second one went with the 9 ounces. It does look a little better green. And it is, you can tell, not as dense as the first one. I'm going to do a half gallon of this at the full 12 ounce rating, which would be 6 ounces of paint per half gallon. We'll do that in this corner right here, and we'll see how that goes. Alrighty, here's how that looked. As you can see, it went on quite a good color. You can still see the transition there between 2 and 1. As it dried, it kind of lightened up, so I had to go over it again. But it does look pretty good. I'm sure from the road it wouldn't look too bad. Might not even be able to tell the difference in the colors. We'll find out at the end here. Alrighty, third one we're doing is the Covinton green grass paint, 6 ounces per gallon. From what I can see here, number 1 and number 3 would be the best. And that's these guys right here. Grass paint from EnviroColor. And then in second place, Covinton green grass paint. And in third place, PetraTool's Sprayer's green grass paint. And we'll go take a look from the road and see how it looks. Here's the view from the front yard. I think it looks pretty good, but I got a feeling I'll probably be using all 3 of them. Now there's an idea. How about we do a suicide mix? One, 2, 3 in the corner there, and then all 3 mixed together. I don't know. What do you guys think? I just think it looks good. Doesn't look like HOA violation anymore. But here is the view from the road, or driveway at least. This is where the HOA peeps will come and do their assessment. So here's what it looks like right now with the brown. I only water about once a week now, if that. And then back here with the green, we'll see how the longevity of it goes. They're all rated for about 2 months. Alright, it's been about 10 days, and we can see it's still green. The score patch is, for the most part, still visible. Haven't gotten out to respray it yet. Here is that first section, still looking nice and dark. Here is the second section, and it is a little lighter. Here's the second with more paint, and it actually looks a little lighter. And then the third one. But it looks like the first one looks the best. It looks the most natural. The rest of the yard with the suicide mix of all 3. And I think it only looks as good as it does because of what was in the first one. So that is what it looks like at 10 days.